Find or read reviews that people are talking about KEiiD Bluetooth speaker with FM radio alarm clock, white noise sound machine, USB, auxiliary, aesthetic style. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Versatile speaker compacts all useful functions. KEiiD B02 is not only a tabletop Bluetooth speaker, it's also a alarm clock radio, white noise/sounds machine, FM radio receiver and more. Aesthetics design with creative oval shape and wooden finish on top and steel mesh cover around, its beautiful and elegant appearance allows you place it anywhere as an home ornament. Two 2.5-inch 8Q 10-watt full-range speakers which perfectly match the speaker chamber, and the DSP sound optimization technology further enhanced the real great sound quality. Thanks to the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, which connects to your phones, tablets, computers, TV and more. Via Bluetooth faster than ever with more lossless sound transmission. Once paired with your phone, it synchronizes clock from your phone automatically, easy read LED clock with 3 levels dimmer and an auto dimmer, display auto turns dark during 10 p.m. to 7:00 a.m. White noise/sounds machine, there are 9 sounds built in. You can customize the sounds files easily on the TF, micro SD, card. 30, 60, 90 minutes sleep timer can be set. Dual alarms with 10 minutes snooze, FM radio can be set as the alarm ringtone. You can also add any of your favorite music to the TF card and set it a music alarm. Good choice as a gift for elders or friends. Gift them a versatile and beautiful tabletop Bluetooth speaker with alarm clock radio and a white noise sound machine and more. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.